Thank you for clicking the link. My name is Chris McAndrews here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. Today we're going to be looking at our 2020 Eclipse Attitude 35 GSG. This model is the +3, so 35 GSG +3, giving you 3 extra feet of cargo space. So come on inside and we'll take a look. Starting out here in the kitchen, as you can see, a nice sized Norcold fridge with a completely open freezer. And this is gas or electric. And then over here on this side you have tons of storage. And your audio controls for your interior and exterior entertainment. Nice big TV with more storage on either side. And then as you come over here you have a 3-burner cooktop and oven with the GE nice big microwave. And I like the L-shaped counter here, nice amount of counter space. And then a big large basin stainless steel sink. And then down here you have a vast amount of storage also. And as you come around over here you can see there is no lack of storage. All the way across the top you have shelving. And then back here you have your bunk and your drop-down couches. These couches will come down and fold up against the wall. And then on the exterior ramp here you have the handrails for a patio setup. And then another television over here on this side. Extremely comfortable Attitude chairs. This couch will fold up. And then again on this side, tons and tons of storage. So come on up here and we'll take a look at the bedroom. And as you get in the bedroom here, you'll notice a huge bed. And again, very nice amount of storage here. So you're not going to run out of space to keep anything. And as you can see under the bed, another huge basin for storage. And a nice addition to this model in the 2020 is the fireplace in the bedroom with storage on either side. And then the restroom here. You'll notice a big amount of storage here. Nice leg room. Vanity with a mirror. And then the corner showers, so a substantial amount of room. I'm 6'2" and I fit in here with no problem. And then another piece down here that's hidden that I missed is another fireplace for the living room area. And while the flames aren't exactly hot, it does produce heat, so it is enough to heat this part of the unit. And then you have the upper fireplace up there to heat the bedroom. And this here, as you can see, you have hydraulic lifts. This is your exterior entertainment with a television. As you come around the back, this will be your ramp, nice and easy access. Just pull these out, lift them up on either side. Easily a one-person job. If we weren't parked back in here, I would show you. Come around the side here, you have a roof access ladder, the full walkable roof. Your fuel cell here so you can fuel all your toys. You don't have to worry about carrying around a bunch of gas cans. And this here, fresh water connection, hot water heater, all of your city water connections, your exterior shower, and tons of space. And on your left side here will be your inverter. And this is your battery storage with battery disconnect. Your battery disconnect switch is there, nice and easy to get to. And then under here, your 5500 evap Onan generator. And then more storage here, access to your hydraulics. And then that'll be it. Again, my name is Chris McAndrews. Thank you very much for clicking the link. This is the 2020 Eclipse Attitude 35 GSG plus 3. There's not going to be very many out there, so if you have any questions or would like to come take a look at one of the first ones to hit the ground, go ahead and give me a call or shoot me a text. My phone number is 541-731-8583. It's a super good opportunity to be one of the first people to own one of these. Thank you very much and have a great day.